I am Saranya, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design. Now we are going to see database management system. In that entity relationship model, we are going to see ER model. What is ER model? Entity relational model. The entity relationship model was developed for database. An entity relationship model describes the structure of database with the help of diagram, which is known as entity relationship diagram. That is ER diagram. The ER model is a design or blueprint of a database. The main components of ER model are entity set, relationship set. You can see the diagram of entity relationship model. In that we have oval shape, rectangle shape, diamond shape, and also the lines to join the each and every entities. The first one is rectangle, represents the entity set. Second one is ellipse, it represents the attributes. The next one is diamond, represent the relationship set. Next is line, they link attributes to entity set and entity set to relationship set. The next one is double eclipse, multi-valued attributes, dashed ellipse, derived attributes, double rectangle, weak entity set, double line, total participation of an entity in a relationship set. This is the common diagram of ER diagram. ER model contains three components. The first one is entity, attributes, relationship. Entity maximum it contains only one type. It is a weak entity. In the attributes we have four types, that is key, composite, multivalent, derived. In the relationship we have one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one, many to many. The first one is entity. Entity is an object or component of data. A entity is represented as a rectangle in an ER diagram. In this we have only weak entity, entity that cannot be unique, identified by its own attributes and realize on the relationship with another entity is called weak entity. The weak entity is represented by the double rectangle. For example, if you are giving the bank account number, we can't identify which bank it represents. The next one is attributes. An attribute describes the property of an entity. The attributes represented as a oval in an ER diagram. There are four types of attributes. The first one is key attribute, second one composite attributes, third one multi-valued attributes, fourth one derived attributes. The first one is key attribute. A key attribute can uniquely identify an entity from the entity set. Second one, composite attribute. An attribute that is combination of other attributes is known as composite attributes. Next one is multi-valued attribute. An attribute that can hold multi-values is known as a multi-valued attribute. It is represented with double oval in an ER diagram. The next one is derived attribute. A derived attribute is one which value is dynamically and derived from another attribute. It is represented by dashed oval in an ER diagram. The next one is derived attributes. The derived attributes is one which value is dynamically. In this we can see the age is a derived attribute. Using the date of birth only we can find the age. In the multivalent attributes we have the phone number. For one person we have two or more phone numbers. One is home phone number and another is personal phone number. For the composite attributes, if we have an address, we have pin code number, state, country, like that we have subdivision. That is the composite attributes. The next one is relation. That is one to one. The relationship is represented by diamond shape in ER diagram. It shows the relationship among entities. There are four types of relationship. First one is one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one. The first one is one to one. That is person, the only one person have only one passport. That is one to one. One to many, the customer can order more than one order from the online shopping, but customer is one but order is more than one. That is one to many. Next one is many to one. The students can take place in the college and they can study in the college, but college is one but the students are many. That is many to one. The next one is many to many. The students can assign a project with a different project. The students are also many, the project also many. This is the many to many. The students are assigning project, that is many to many. Many students are there, many project they can do it. That is the many to many relationship. This is the relationship in the ER diagram. Mostly the many to many, mostly the relationship is represented by a diamond shape in ER diagram. It shows the relationship among entities, one to one, one to many to one, many to many. This is the most important steps in the ER diagram.